Good morning, students. Welcome to the Greenfield School and College online classes. Today's class basically on the revised syllabus of class 9, which is delivered by the board NCTV. So you know that instead of annual exam, now you will be evaluated based on the assignment, and there will be in every week you will face you have to submit 3 assignment on three different subjects. So in first week you have to submit the assignment on chapter 2 1 and 2 of business entrepreneurship. So now in today's class I am gonna give you some guideline how to write the assignment and what is the process. Already you know something about the writing process of the assignment, but I will discuss it in details how you will write my subject assignment. So that's why I'm gonna taking this class. So you just follow your book textbook, and you can collect information from journals, other journals, internet, or any other sources, but you cannot copy the whole thing from the sources. You cannot copy it. You have to put your creativity on your assignment, and basically you just collect the information and use it in your own way. So that is the assignment, that is the assignment thing, what you should what you are thinking, what you are assuming about the issues or topics. So let's continue the class, and just please bring your book. At first I'm gonna tell you the issue or topic of the assignment. Since it is the chapter 1 and 2, and the assignment topics is mainly first chapter, introduction to business, and second is business entrepreneurship and entrepreneur, chapter 1 and 2. But assignment topic is, you can see that it is writing in it has been written in here in Bengali. So ব্যবসায়ের উৎপত্তি ও ক্রমবিকাশের ধারা, that means it is the origin and evolution of the business, which you can find in your book in page number 3 here. Origin and evolution of business, the steps of business evolution. This chart should be mentioned in your assignment. This chart, steps of business evolution. So the topic is you can see ব্যবসায়ের উৎপত্তি ও ক্রমবিকাশের ধারা ছকে প্রদর্শন করো. That means you have to write down the origin and evolution of business, and you have to put the chart, steps of evolution. You have to put the chart of step of evolution in your assignment, and I will evaluate you after finishing the assignment based on the topic related concept of the topic. You if you have the concept related, you have the concept about the topic, or you can you just maintain the all information which is mentioned in your textbook. And also it is last one is ক্রমবিকাশের ছক, that means steps of the chart of steps of evolution. So based on this thing, I will evaluate your assignment, and I will write down it is excellent or good or fair or bad. I will evaluate it like this way. This is this guideline should be it is just provided from the NCTV, that I have to evaluate the assignment, and these are the evaluating issues, the issues based on which I can evaluate you and your assignment. So main assignment topic is origin and evolution of the business. So let's go to the book. At first you have to from when you start your assignment, you have to make a cover page. You have to make a cover page. On the cover page you have to write down your name, your class, your roll number, subject name and topics name, in the bold letter. So not mention, not necessarily it should be bold. That means you have to just highlight it. You have to highlight the cover page, but you cannot use the red pen in your assignment. You have to write down, you can use the other sign pen or other ink or other color on the cover page, but in the middle of your, in the body of your assignment, you can use the black pen or maybe blue, but you cannot use the red pen. So please remember, you cannot use the red pen on your assignment, not in your cover page, not in your main assignment. So you should clearly remember it. Now this is the way to write the cover page. Now you will have to come to the main issue: origin and evolution of business. Before writing the evolution of business or origin of the business, you have to put down the basic information about business, like what is business. Just one or two line you can mention the definition, that business is an economical activity, and it is based on mainly business is an economical activities to earn profit. This is just one line, and you can easily add some other points, like business is related to the risk, and also the business should be legal. So in one or two line you just define the business, what is business. So after that you will come to the origin and evolution of business. Origin and evolution of business, from your book you can collect, you can take the information from your book, but you cannot copy it just A to Z thoroughly. You cannot copy it. You take the information, you can use this information, and as well as you can collect information from the internet, Google, or I think other journals or other books, but you cannot, but don't use any other guide boy, any other what we can say, বাজারে যে গাইড বই আছে, এই গাইড বইগুলো ফলো করো না. Don't follow the guidebook from the market. So just take the help from your textbook, and also you can use the internet. So and other journals from the internet, you can find different type of journals on the internet. So collect the information from there. At first, origin, I already told you that you have to write down the definition, or you can say basic information about business in one or two line. Then you just straightly come to the origin and evolution of business. Here you can see over time the scope of economic activities increased on the basis of human demand. As a result, activities like hunting, farming, producing, exchanging goods was started. Barter system, what you know is exchanging goods, that is called barter system. But exchanging goods or products could not meet up all the needs. Because of this, in place of barter system, uses of coins of gold or silver and later paper note was introduced as a medium of exchange. The evolution of business can be classified as primitive age, middle age, and modern age. That means you can see from the very beginning of the human origin, you can see there is the business is necessary. The business is it is just introducing as other form, like exchanging products. That means someone is collecting fruits, someone is fishing, or someone is hunting. So they are exchanging goods. Someone give you a fruits and you are giving him the meats. So that is this exchanging goods system is known as barter system. And from this barter system, the business mainly increased. The business process mainly increased, but slowly it was just that the problem just occurred in exchanging goods, because if you have to exchange your goods, the worth of all goods are not same. value of all goods are not same. You cannot identify what quantity of your fruit should be given to exchange of meat. So facing those type of problems, yeah, then they are thinking about the using of media, using of some a medium of exchange. So that's why they are using coins or paper notes. So medium of exchange, you have to think about some coins, some paper notes, some other things like shell, quarry, and stones. So these are the introduced. These were introduced in the Middle Age. Mainly the coins, the paper notes, the markets. Those are formation of market. Those are mainly introduced in the Middle Age. So origin, when you write down the origin and evolution process of the business, or origin and evolution of business, then you have to, at first you have to give the introduction of the origin and evolution of business. You can say that means we can say that business is mainly evolved from the needs of human being. মানুষের অভাববোধ থেকেই আসলে ব্যবসায়ের উৎপত্তি হয়। ব্যবসায়ের উৎপত্তিটা আসলে কোত্থেকে হয়? The evolution of business, or you can say the necessity of business just occurred from the needs or wants of human being, and that's why from the primitive ways, the business was just introduced in the form of exchanging goods, that is called as barter system. But gradually people think about the people are facing some problems in exchanging goods. So they were thinking about using some medium of exchanges, and that's why they were using shell, quarry, stones, valuable shell, quarry, snail, stones as a medium of exchange. After that, using those things, that was also creating problems. So after that, they were using gold or silver coins or any other metal coins to exchange instead of exchanging goods. So these are the evolution. Just one or two line you can not one or two line, just if you write down other some issues, main issues, according to the journal, or according to the searching in Google, you can write down different type of introduction of origin and evolution. But main issue is the chart, steps of business evolution. That is the main theme, that is the main topic. You have to clearly mention the chart. You can improvise this chart which is mentioned in your book. You can improvise this chart. Primitive age, you can use the age will be same, primitive age, middle age, modern age. The steps of business evolution can be classified as primitive age, middle age, and modern age, you know that. But you can use some different type of information in this chart. You will obviously use these informations, but also you can add some more from the other sources. So chart is the main thing, and introduction you can write down in your own way using your creativity. So basically this is the main thing. Primitive is hunting, fishing, collecting fruits, cultivation, farming, bartering. These were introduced in the primitive age. That means in these age, in this era, people are just mostly busy with hunting, fishing, collecting fruits, cultivating, and exchanging those goods, which was called as a bartering system or barter system. After that, they were facing some problems in exchanging goods. They just tried to using some medium of exchanges. So using scarce snail, shell, quarry, and stones as a medium of exchange. After that, they were using coins of metal like gold, silver, and copper. What you say? Different types of metal coins. After using coins of metal, they just introduced the paper notes. And when the paper notes were introduced, the market was form. The formation of market and towns also just in the Middle Age. The people started to form the market, and near the market people try to form the new town. So that's why after using the coins, using the paper notes, the business was very much spread. And because of the spread expansion of business, the market were formed, and also towns were formed. So establishment and after that establishment of different type of business organization was also introduced in the Middle Age after formation of market and towns. So these are the information which is basically on the in the Middle Age. And modern age just started after industrial revolution. And you can find some basic information from the industrial revolution if you search in the Google. Then modern age, that is started from the industrial revolution, and after that development of information and communication technology also helps the business to expand. Spread of different industries, different type of industries were formed and established. Introduction of large scale production, and different type of industries were formed, and that's why the production was huge. Large scale production and large scale distribution process was just started. Expansion of the business of banking and insurance, introduction of ATM card, introduction of mobile banking. So these are the basic information of modern age. You can find different type of information from the internet or from the other journals. You have to, I will give you the guideline, but you have to more you have to be more creative. You have to use your own creativity to write down the assignment. যেভাবে পারো তোমার অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটাকে আকর্ষণীয় করো তথ্য দিয়ে, not any other, not habijabi decoration with the messy decoration, but just use the information properly. And stick with the basic issue. Stick with your solid issue or main topic, steps of business evaluation and origin and evaluation of business. So that is the main issue of your assignment. So just stick with it. And you have to improvise these information. You have to improvise the information which is mentioned in your book. So you can just use different sources, but you cannot copy it. If I find out that you just copy the assignment from other students or other sources, A to Z thoroughly, you just copied it, I will cancel your assignment, and you have to write down it again. So if you want to if you don't want to face this harassment, or you can say that this type of problem, so you have to write it down with your creativity, and take help from other sources, but not copying it. So this is the issue. That means the issue is origin and evaluation of business, and you have to mention the chart, steps of business evaluation, page number 3. This chart should be mentioned obviously. So I hope you will understand your assignment topic. You can you just understand your assignment topic, and you will obviously write down it. You can write down it successfully. So hope for the best. And if you face any problem, then I am here. Please knock me on the messenger. I will answer your every type of question. You can you just use your own imagination and creativity. Obviously the assignment will be successful. So that's all for today, and I hope you wouldn't face any problem to write down it. Try to just you know that today you have to attend a Zoom meeting on 6:15. So attend it, and after that you just start your assignment, because you have to write down 3 assignment on per week. So just start it. So hope for the best. That's all for today.